Rotary Monoblock Volumetric Liquid Filling and Capping Machine. The automatic rotary monoblock 16 by 8 head volumetric linear bottle filling and capping machine. The machine is suitable for round, oval, flat, or square bottles with a maximum speed of 240 bottles per minute. Machine with rotary operation of bottles results in smoother bottle movement at lower speed, producing higher output. The output of bottle filling machines depends on the nature of the liquids, bottle diameter, bottle height, bottle neck size, and fill volume. Machine construction in fully stainless steel finish including MS frame structure with SS304 cladding. Machine with optional turntables at in-feed and out-feed with individual drives to match the speed of incoming and outgoing bottles for smoother operation. All parts coming in contact with liquids are made from SS316 materials. The machine works on the volumetric piston filling principle, which fills liquid into the bottle with a high level of fill accuracy of liquid in each bottle. Machine suitable for filling pharmaceutical products, oil, mouthwash, etc. Special features. Speed, max 240 bottles per minute depending on fill volume and type of liquid. Power, 3 horsepower. Accuracy, plus or minus 1% depending on the liquid with single dose. Automatic height adjustable. Very high fill accuracy. Minimum change over time. Automatic in feed and exit of bottles.